Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Haider, and today we will go through pharmacology lecture number 19. Uh, Unlock your pathway to a glorious journey. Phosphoninsatides and calcium, another well studied second messenger system, involves hormonal stimulation of phosphoinsatide hydrolysis. Some of the hormones, neurotransmitters, and growth factors that trigger this pathway bind to receptors linked to G proteins, whereas other binds to receptors tyrosine kinases. In all cases, the crucial step is to stimulation of a membrane enzyme, phospholipase, which splits a minor phospholipid component of the plasma membrane, phosphatidyl inositol biphosphates into two second messengers, diacylglycerol and inositol triphosphate 3 or INSP3. Diacylglycerol is confined to the membrane where it is activate a phospholipid and calcium-sensitive protein kinases called protein kinase C. Uh, IP3 is a water-soluble and diffuses through the cytoplasm to trigger release of a calcium uh, by binding to ligand-gated calcium channels in the limiting membrane of internal storage vesicles. Elevated cytoplasmic calcium concentration resulting from IP3 promoted opening of these channels promotes the binding of calcium to the calcium binding protein calmodulin, which regulates the activities of other enzymes, including calcium dependent protein kinases. With its multiple second messengers and protein kinases, the phosphoinositide signal pathway is much more complex than the cyclic AMP pathway. For example, different cell types may contain one or more specialized calcium and calmodulin dependent kinases with limited substrate specificity. For example, myosin light chain kinases, in addition to general calcium and calmodulin independent kinase that can phosphorylate a wide variety of protein substrates. Furthermore, at least nine structurally distinct type of protein kinase C has been identified. So um, stay tuned. Thank you very much for your precious time, and do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos regarding pharmacology. Take care. Allah Hafiz.